Okay, guys. Let's see how the if condition works in assembly. So for this condition, we need to comparison, right? So if means we are comparing two values, and if true, we're gonna do something. If no, we're gonna do the else part like that. So for the comparison, we use CMP function. It's just predefined like move. It's a predefined to compare two values. So let's see. Dot model small size dot stack size h data. So in my code, what I'm going to do is I'm getting a input value and compare it with some value. For example, yeah, compare it with number 5. I'm getting an integer value. Compare it with the number 5. If I'm if the person is entering the value input is number 5, it's gonna print yes. Else it's gonna print no. Enter the value and message 1 define byte yes, message 2 define byte no. And we need a variable, right? So num define byte now. Yeah, so code move ax comma at data days comma x. So I have in my previous video have explained what these registers do and why we how it works. In these basic things I have explained. So move x comma offset message 09h 21h. So now we are getting the input move h comma 01h 21h, and I'm going to save it to that variable num. So move that ah to to num comma ah. So, then I'm going to use the comparison. So cmp, I'm going to compare num with value 5. Yeah, in here we are comparing with value 5, right? So value 5 should be value 5, not the character 5. So value 5, so we have to deduct the 48, right? So okay, I'm gonna use the here al, not here dl. So move from al and sub dl comma 48. Now it's right, it's correct, right? So jump equal, so check this comparison, then if equal, it's gonna jump to yes part. This is also like a function. Yes part is like a calling function. So jump if not equal and no part. So I'm calling no part and yes part. So we have to now define the yes part and no part. Sorry, here just no colon. Yeah. Then yes part is here, yes colon. Yes part is mm, move. So I can directly copy this, right? It's gonna copy if jump equal, if this part is true, it's gonna print the yes, right? So it's message 1. Then it jump to exit means end of the program, and if no part, it's gonna move to tx comma offset. So I can copy it directly there. Here it's gonna print no part, so that means message 3, I think message 2, and now our function is ending. So exit means clear this file, exit. So move ax comma 4000h print 21h and end in the program. So we are getting the input and compare it with value 5. If value 5, the one we enter, it's gonna print yes, else it's gonna print no. This is jump equal and jump not equal. So let's see how it works. TSA test to.asm. Now errors t-link. Now we link the object file dot obj, file name dot obj, and executing. So I'm entering 5, yes. So if I'm entering 2, it's gonna print no. So we can, here we can use next line to, you can understand, right? Simply. So yeah, we'll see in next video.